everyone? All right. We have teams scoring some green cubes up into that goal. Ramen noodles pushing some red cubes off the post. The waffles putting some green cubes into that goal. Ramen noodles looking like they're trying to empty the zone. Flipping cubes out behind them. Give it 35 seconds and then now switch drivers. The waffles trying to get some green cubes in all of the towers. Looks like they have 2 in their claw. 25 seconds left, you mustn't switch drivers. Ramen noodles trying to finish scoring that loading zone. The waffles getting tons of green cubes up into these goals. As we get to the last 10 seconds, we'll see if they can pull off some parts. We have ramen noodles looking like they're going for a full part. With 3 seconds left, can the waffles get there in time?
He's in there. Yeah, he is. Good job.
All right. For qualification 16, we have 5A13 Tiger Sharks and 40.